This is the view of the mangrove cave, sorry, the mangrove groves here in Langkawi, Malaysia. Boat's opening up. There's Karen, she's in the front taking photos. You see the rocks, the jagged rocks. There's crocodiles, monkeys, rare birds, rare bats, and lots of unusual insects. There's just so much to see here in Langkawi, so we highly recommend the place. I know a lot of people, they stay in the little touristy stuff, but if you kind of go out and get a scooter or a rental car and you add that to your trip, it'll make for a more pleasant experience. So here's another boat coming back. Another boat. That's a tour boat this time. We have our own private boat, so we can stop over and get more photos and video for everybody. Takes a lot of balance for me to hold the cameras for you.